Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw ketchup and mustard. So to start off with this, we're going to begin with the ketchup. So starting right here, I'm just going to make a line that's just going to go down like this. Then I'm going to leave some space and I'm going to draw another line that goes down like that. Then starting here, I'm going to make a little line that just kind of curves from one end to the other. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves in and then kind of up. And then I'm going to do the same thing here, just kind of curve it in and then just go up. Then starting here, I'm going to make a really skinny oval towards the top for the cap. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes up. It's going to go over and then down like this for the cap. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves here, and then a line towards the bottom is just going to kind of curve like this. Now, over here, I want to make the mustard. So to do that, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out and then in. Then I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to do the same thing, just kind of curve out and then back in. Then I'm just going to connect them with a little curved line down here. And then I'm just going to go kind of up at an angle, just a little bit. Then right here, I'm going to connect them. And then I'm going to draw a line that goes up. It's going to go over, and then it's going to come down. Then right here, I'm going to make another little line that goes up, over, and down. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up kind of tall, over just a little bit, and then back down. And then on here, I'm going to add some little lines onto the bottom of the cap. Then, same thing, I'm going to add a little curved line here, and then a little curved line here for the label. Then, just to make these kind of fun, I'm going to add some faces onto here. So, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a circle for an eye, and then a circle for an eye right here. And then I'm just going to add 2 small circles inside each one, and then just kind of color around here. Then I'm just going to add a little line across with a big happy face and a little sad face for a tongue. And then I'm going to color this part in too. Then over here, this time what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw 2 little lines that go down like this. And then I'm going to add a little circle underneath each one. Then I'm going to add the 2 circles inside here and color them in. And then same thing over here, just add your 2 circles and then just color them in. And then I'm just going to add a little smiley face like this. Just kind of give them a little bit of different expressions. And I'll add 2 little eyebrows up here. And there you go. There is your drawing of ketchup and mustard. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.